All right, let's start the run outbound process for deliveries. Let's assume on the 31st of May, our customer wants to receive their goods. And here we go to our date, and here we see our delivery. We see that the picking status is 0%. We see the staging area as well as staging bay, our goods issue area. And here we see our routing information for the 31st of May again. So let's go into our little cockpit here, and here we see our little process guidance help. So we start with a missing task, for example, and here we want to actually create a warehouse task for our material because we need to pick it. And I could do this fully automated by clicking on here or manually, which I will do now just to show you a little bit further the system information. Here we have the storage locations, also the source bin. I see that we source from those handling units. In one we have 8 pieces and the other one 20. And I need 1 piece for my customer, so I'll take out 1 piece from the second handling unit. Next thing is we have an open task. So while I'm on the warehouse floor doing that, and maybe I finish my task now, I need to give the system information that I've done this kind of work. So I see here the system still has the warehouse task status open. Here I can, if I go into the warehouse task, I see the destination bin again. I have to bring this 1 piece. If I would have an exception, I could also handle that via this little field there. And I have all the relevant information I actually need to complete this warehouse task, and I can confirm it. So next step is I want to go back to my monitor. And here I can see that the picking execution status has actually moved up to 100% here. In the packing area process, I can see that I could also assign serial number ranges if I want to in my monitor. And I can also do that in the packing station itself. For that, I use my packing Outbound app. And here I'm packing actually in the goods issue area already. Here I can type in my delivery note or order. Usually this is done via scanning or maybe RFID, depends a little bit on the process. And here I can see that the system already created a handling unit with my favorite material. Now I can assign a serial number here in the packing screen. And let's assume we have a scale integrated. I do this manually here. I can also then put in the weight for the gross weight. Close the whole thing because now everything is packed. And now I will go back to our warehouse management processing screen. I will go back into our app run outbound process, go back to our date on the 31st of May to find our delivery again. And here I can see the picking status has also been updated to 100% in green. So the last thing I want to do is I want to also see if the serial number matches the handling units. This is the case here. And now, actually, if the 31st comes around, I can then press goods issue, and yeah, the goods are gone then on the truck.